It is Friday, January 13th, and Caroline is playing on her little mat for the first time. And she's watching the mirror, right, Caroline? Can you reach for it? She was grabbing the seahorse before. Now she's watching. Can you grab that one? There's a seahorse. Hit it with your hand, babe. That's it. She's raising her hand up. Gonna hit it? You gonna hit something? Oh, there it is. Get this one. This one's easier for you to reach. Hi, Caroline. Come on, little girl. Come see. Reach for it. What are you gonna say, huh? You getting tired? Let's see if you'll give a smile. Caroline, can you give a smile? Caroline. Ready? Yeah. Smile! 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Smile! No smile right now. Trying to say something? Okay. See you later. Oh, I lost my hair bow. Bye-bye.